All right, guys, back again. I've got Derrick here. He's running it back with Superbox Basketball, live here on Blowout TV. All right, let's see what we got. Do our promo pack first. Got a Bernard Robinson to $14.99, rookie autograph from SB Authentic, and a Daniel Booby Gibson jersey. All right, Superbox time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we finally hit one.
Got one?
We finally got one.
Nice.
86-87 Fleer.
Wow.
BGS 7.5 rookie of Michael Jordan.
Grade's weak, but nice.
Nice.
Nice card.
Very, very nice. Love it. We've been waiting to see one of those pop out for about a month now. All right, Derek. Appreciate it, buddy. Congrats, and I'll get it right out to you.